Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Open the case near your iPhone and follow on-screen prompts to pair instantly. Keep Bluetooth and location enabled during the initial setup for faster connections. For Macs, use the Bluetooth menu and select AirPods when they appear in the Devices list. Android phones require you to open Bluetooth settings and select the AirPods like any other headset. If pairing fails, press and hold the setup button on the back of the charging case for 15 seconds. That restores factory settings and makes the AirPods discoverable again. Press the stem force sensor twice to play or pause audio and to answer calls. Use a single press to stop or resume playback and a long press to switch noise control modes. Swipe down in Control Center during playback to toggle spatial audio and head tracking features. Adaptive EQ automatically tunes the low and mid frequencies to your ear shape for balanced sound. The AirPods Gen 3 include IPX4 sweat resistance, so you can use them during light workouts and rainy walks. Listen up to 6 hours per charge and up to 30 hours total using the MagSafe charging case. A 5-minute quick charge provides about 1 hour of listening when the battery is very low. Fully charging the earbuds takes about 1 hour, and the case charges in under 2 hours on a MagSafe or Qi wireless charger. To clean, wipe with a soft lint-free cloth and avoid spraying liquids directly on the mesh or case. If audio drops, reconnect via Bluetooth and reset the case if problems persist.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.